In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone on Facebook. If you want to mention a friend, family member, or colleague in a Facebook post, tagging is a simple way to do it. Now, when you tag someone, Facebook links their profile in your post, which can make it easier for others to see who you're referring to. This is especially useful when you're sharing a memory, giving someone credit, or posting something you want them to notice. To get started, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com on your computer. Once Facebook is open and you're on the main screen, look for the post creation box that says "What's on your mind?" Tap or click that area to start creating a new post. Now type the message you want to share. You can write your post first and add the tag as you go, or you can tag the person right where you want their name to appear in the sentence. The important thing is to place the tag naturally within your message, so the post reads clearly. When you're ready to tag someone, type the @ symbol, followed immediately by the person's name. As you begin typing, Facebook will usually show a list of matching profiles. This helps you find the right person without needing to type their full name perfectly. If you don't see the right suggestion right away, keep typing a little more of their name to narrow the list. Next, select the correct profile from the suggestions that appear. This step matters because it makes sure the tag links to the right person's account. Once selected, their name should appear as a proper tag inside your post. After that, finish your post by checking the wording and making sure everything looks right. If the tag appears correctly, you're ready to publish. Tap or click post to share it. A quick tip before you post. If Facebook doesn't suggest the person you want, it may be because of their privacy settings, how their name appears on Facebook, or whether you're connected to them on the platform. In that case, try typing their name more carefully and look through the suggestions again. And that's it. Open Facebook, start a new post, write your message, type the @ symbol and the person's name, choose the correct profile, and post it. That's how to tag someone on Facebook quickly and easily.